Hi guys, welcome to India Base. In this tutorial, we are going to see about the React. So from basic to advanced level, and as well as we are going to create an application from scratch to the completion of the project. So this is our channel India Base. Please be free to subscribe our channel and click on the notify button to receive the notifications when we upload our new video. So let's dive into the topic. So what is React? React is a JavaScript library to create and web applications. So it allows us to create single page application and its short form as SPA. So what is a single page application? Single page application is nothing but an index.html. So which includes every kind of modules in a single page. Modules in the sense storage module and multiple forms like a home page, dashboard, contact us, and multiple forms for adding, deleting, those kind of stuff, which incorporate into a single page and load into the browser DOM. So this makes the user to feel the applications much faster than the other traditional way applications. So let's come into the flow. The user enters the URL into the browser, so it initially requests the server to get the single page application. So server bundles every modules and send back the index.html to the browser, and browser added it to the DOM. So this is the single page application form. Let's see about the traditional way. In Omado applications, when a user enters the URL in the browser, it requests the particular context path to the server, and the server responds the particular context path's HTML to the DOM, and it loads into the DOM. So likewise, the home page as well. So it took some time to do the computation, and user had to wait until the DOM is reloaded. Until if the server is not up, so these kind of data will not be getting. So in React, we can use the offline storage as well. So that's the advantage of using the React when the DOM loaded every modules into a single application. So we can use the React application as an offline application as well. To learn the React, you no need to have React knowledge or anything. So you need to have the fundamental basics about the HTML. So we are having a complete set of a playlist in our channel, so you can learn from that. And I already said about we are going to develop an application from scratch to completion. So this is the application we are going to develop from scratch to end. So we are going to add news to our newspaper, so it automatically reloads in the dashboard, and we redirect from one page to another using the React routers. So I hope you like this video. Let's see in the next video. Thank you.